back in the Cirrus. We got Quinn flying today. What do you think, Quinn?
I don't know. I'm just really excited to have some more time, and yeah, I'm just excited.
Yep, we already got it fired up, as you saw. We got some passengers in the back. Here's my best airplane. Check it out, buddy. We're going to check out the Cessna 150, aren't we?
Oh yeah, excited. Exciting day.
Yeah.
Gonna go fly it, maybe get some GoPro of that too.
Oh yeah.
So, all right. So, Quinn, you ready to taxi?
Sure.
You take us on out there. Flying up to Minnesota. Found a little Cessna 150. It'd be really good for teaching these guys to fly. Maybe even that guy back there.
On the way back.
Get him a little solo. No, I'm talking about the 150, man.
The 150.
Gotta get Trevor soloed.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Trevor wants to maybe work on airplanes, but you have to learn how to fly them if you're gonna work on them.
Oh yeah.
There's always like a test hop you have to take somebody on, right?
Well, yeah, I want to get my pilot's license. Gotta test those planes out.
Yeah, definitely, man. Gotta do it.
Yep.
Alright, should I give you the checklist?
Sure.
Landings, traffic, Cirrus 3 Zulima departing runway 13, left turn out northwestbound, landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We've been flying for just a little bit now, but expect to be at your destination in approximately an hour and 36 minutes. It'll be sunny and about 23 degrees, so there's no need for heavy coats, but light windbreaker might do the job for you. So yeah, just sit back and relax. We might have a little bit of turbulence, but it's looking pretty good. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Mike 1553 Zulu, wind 190 at 6, visibility 10, sea clouds 7,000, sea clouds 9,500, temperature 1, dew point -4, altimeter 3028.
Gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We've been in flight for approximately an hour and 45 minutes. There's only about, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. We have started our descent, so if you need to pop your ears, pretty soon would be the time to do that. There is snow everywhere, so maybe take back the light windbreaker. You might need a slightly heavier jacket, but it's looking pretty good. We should be touching down in approximately 3 to 5 minutes, so just be prepared for that. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your flight. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened.